Hi there, my name is Max Curzon-Price from Bar Supernova, and today I'm making my cocktail Orchard Highball. It's a pretty European favorite. It's one that we kind of seldom ever see over here. You find it a little bit between France, a little bit into Basque Country and Spain. It's Campari and cider in the best possible way. First thing we're gonna do, keep your glass nice and cold. If you have the option to keep it in a freezer ahead of time, I recommend that. So we're gonna add 1 ounce of a Campari into the mix here. Campari, it pairs really well. It's surprisingly bitter, but there is still plenty of sugar in there. And from there, we're just gonna top it off with cider. We're using a BC favorite, Lonetree. I prefer a dry style of cider there. We're using 4 ounces. Now we're gonna wanna stir to incorporate everything together and find that beautiful red hue throughout the drink. This is a bit of a summer afternoon aperitivo, so we're gonna finish it off with a skewer of fresh olives and a spritz of fresh orange. That's it, Orchard Highball. Enjoy. You'll be able to find both the Lonetree and the Campari down at your local BCL.